Hello and welcome to the CDAO Magazine interview series. I am Riddhiman with TripleBlind, and we are partnering with CDAO Magazine, MIT CDAO IQ, and the International Society of Chief Data Officers in a series of interviews. Today, I have the pleasure of talking with Bill Groves, Chief Data Officer at Walmart. Thank you, Bill.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for joining us, Bill. Really excited to be speaking to you here. So what does digital transformation look like at Walmart? Specifically, how is the Walmart business model changing as a result of digital transformation?
It's an interesting question. Digital transformation has been ongoing for many years across all companies, not just Walmart. I will say that we kind of sped up due to the pandemic in many companies, right? And Walmart's sort of different than others. But digital transformation here really started with wanting to harness our data and harness the digital channels to better serve our customers. That's really where it started. What's happened over the past 3 years is that the world has changed and there's more online shopping for grocery, things of that nature. So we had to transition our transformation exercise to ensure that data could be used to help make better decisions in those spaces. Make sure the right products on the shelf, make sure the right products online, make sure the customers have access to it. Also, one of the things we've done is use a lot of data in the transformation to keep prices low over the past year, 2 years, where there's been a lot of supply chain issues across the globe. We've been able to use data to keep the prices low for our customers. And so digital transformation here is all about harnessing data and using it to better serve our customers.
That's incredible. I love how the customer is at the center of not just obviously the entire business, but also deeply technical issues like data and digital transformation. It's inspiring to see. So clearly, Walmart is accumulating a lot of data as part of its global operations and the business that you help run. And how are you thinking about that data as an asset potentially leverageable by third parties?
So kind of going back to what we said earlier about the customer as well as the trust.
Right.
We at Walmart, we don't share individual level data. We don't share, but what we'll share with partners, again, is some of the trends I talked about earlier. Hey, you happen, I used the turkey example because it's almost Thanksgiving. Right. If you say with that example, when we're working with the suppliers in that space saying, hey, we're going to need more products here versus here because what we're seeing in the trends. And so that's what we do at Walmart. Again, going back to that trust component, trust is the highest bar we have, and we always stay with that. But that being said, we do use data with partners to make sure that the right products are in the right place so we can delight our customers. Nothing worse than an experience as a shopper is walking into a store and the product we want's not on the shelf. So for us, that's one of our main priorities, right? And so we do work with others that way, and that's what we do. Internally, one of the things, going back on the last question too, we talked about the digital transformation. Part of that was modernization, right? Part of that was modern, the technical stack and the data, and moving from more of a legacy capability to more modern capabilities, where we've moved over 150 petabytes of data into more modern technology that allows us to do that type of sharing while maintaining control of the data and keeping it private as well, ensuring all privacy is in place.
Wow, that's I can only imagine how, what that effort looked like with so many petabytes of data being transitioned from probably mainframes into modern infrastructure. So what types of data privacy initiatives have you tested, implemented, and have you looked at privacy enhancing technologies? And as you've done so, what has worked, what has not worked, and what frustrations have you faced as you looked at data privacy, data residency, and privacy enhancing technologies?
I wouldn't say there's any frustrations. I think it's just a challenge that every company has to address, right? Every company should strive to be the most trusted in their space.
Right.
I think that's just a high watermark for everybody. So I wouldn't say it's any frustrations, but as you go through it, when you're building technology and you're building capabilities to ensure privacy, you build it in a certain way, and the laws evolve, or the laws are evolving. And so that is every company. As the laws evolve, we have to accommodate and adapt, right? So what we've done is we've built more broadly our capabilities so that it can be adjusted and meet new requirements. And that's worked very well for us, and that'll allow us to be more flexible moving forward. So again, it's not a frustration. It's something you do to serve your customers, so it's a good thing, right?
That's awesome. Yeah, I just love the customer centricity of just how you approach your strategy and work. So last question. Walmart is the leader in blank.
I'd say for our customers, Walmart's the leader in saving them time and money. And the whole concept is save time and money so you can live better. So that's one. Two, associates, we're the leader in offering them opportunities and diversity at work and working with cutting edge technologies to grow their careers and make a difference every day. We tackle a lot of challenges at Walmart. I've been in a lot of different verticals, and go back and look at my LinkedIn, you'll see I've worked in a lot of different verticals. We have a diversity of challenges we tackle with AI and ML that makes work exciting every day. For me, I love getting up and coming to work, and that's one of the reasons. Because today I might be talking about an inventory challenge, tomorrow I'm talking about a demand challenge, the next day I'm talking about supply chain challenge, and that makes it really exciting. So I think that's what we do for our associates. From technology, I think we lead retail and disruption. We've been doing it for years. This is what disrupting the retail industry is not something new to Walmart. There was the super center. There was the everyday low price model we have, EDLP. And now I just think data is leading that disruption in the digital transformations happening in retail. So I think that's where Walmart leads. I think it's what we're good at. And I think it's what makes us special at Walmart.
That's incredible. Thank you, Bill Groves, Chief Data Officer at Walmart, for joining me today. Please visit cdomagazine.tech for additional interviews.
I appreciate it. Thanks for taking time today.